Hi guys, and welcome back to Tiffany's channel. So in today's video, she is going to be showing you what she does to clean her kitchen and what she uses. And for those of you who don't know me, hi, my name is Shawn, and I have two YouTube channels, and we'll get into that later in the video. So first thing we're going to be starting with is just kind of taking things outside, like the pizza boxes, and she put whatever in the cabinet. I have no idea, but now we're going to be cleaning up the sink from the dishes to kind of scrub the sink down before she gets started. So the soap that she will be using to clean the sink and also for her dishes is Ajax. And for those of you who are all about being cost effective, Ajax at Walmart, the 90-ounce at her Walmart is $4.42 for 90 ounces. Y'all need to get it. Very cheap and it's good ish. I mean, you get what you pay for. But if you're on a budget, you got to do what you got to do. So next thing she's doing is just kind of wiping everything down. What she's going to be using for her dishes is a Scotch-Brite non-scratch dishwand with a soap dispenser in it, and she's putting the soap into it now. That at Walmart retails for $2.99. And with that, you can get refills. So for two refills is $2.78, and for six refills is $7.78. And you truly don't have to change them that often, and they're very cost effective. And it's good because you don't need to buy the wand every time. So she just put a strainer on the other side of her sink, and you can get these at Walmart or the dollar store. I even think Dollar Tree has them. Like, if you're all about being cost effective, those should be the three stores that you should go to help. She's just kind of wiping everything down. Now we're done with the dishes, I think. Maybe. Yes, okay. So she just kind of checked behind to see if there was anything. So she's going to be using the Meyer's um, multi surface spray cleaner stuff. So at Walmart for 24 ounces, that retails for $5.03. And there is a concentrated bottle that is a refill for this for 32 ounces for $8.88. And they have multiple scents. I think the most popular one is lemon. And yeah, but they do have other scents that you could get with that. So after she's already done with, I think she's done with the microwave, maybe. Either way, so she had sprayed the outside with that Meyer's cleaner, and then she sprayed. Well, she didn't spray the inside. She used that dishwand sponge for the inside, which I think is good because the less chemicals that you're putting around or in the area of your food is better. And she used the that same Meyer's cleaner on her toaster oven. Well, toaster, not toaster oven. I have a toaster oven. But she told me that it shined it up really, really well and made it look very clean, which most people are very picky with their stainless steel appliances for them to look nice. And she said it works really well for that. So I really think you guys should kind of look into that and kind of judge it yourself. And we're just using that same cleaner again for the counters. And for those of you who are wondering, no, this is not a sponsored video. I know she really likes this cleaner a lot, so that's what she wants to use. So next thing is we're just gonna kind of continue to put things away, and then I believe she's gonna clear off the other side of the counter, maybe. Yeah, okay, so we're just using that spray again. And for those of you who are wondering, to my knowledge, this does not have those harsh chemicals like most cleaners do. So if you are a little more conscious about harsh cleaners or anything like that, I do think this would be a good option for you. And it's cheap and it lasts a long time. As I've always said, any cleaner that you're going to be using, a little goes a long way. And I feel like that's one thing a lot of people do is that we all spend so much in cleaning products for our bathroom or kitchen, and really we don't need as much as what we think we do. So, next thing we're going to be doing is cleaning off the stove with the same Meyer spray, and she's just taking a paper towel and kind of wiping everything off. Nothing too abrasive, um, but honestly, I don't even think her stove was that bad. So, and for those of you who are wondering, my two channels are Swenton0624 and Swenton Hair 0624. The first channel is my makeup channel, and then obviously the second one is my hair channel for those of you who want professional cosmetology advice for your hair or skin. Um, Go check that out. Okay, so next thing we're doing is we're just going to be kind of cleaning off this rack, kind of organizing it. I know she has her air fryer there, and for those of you who do not have an air fryer, girl, I'm sorry. It is so amazing. I actually got one for Christmas, and she actually got one for Christmas too, and they are amazing. Definitely a lot healthier cooking. I promise you, if you cook your morning sausage in there, um, you will be disgusted for the amount of grease that comes out. It's very gross. But anyway, so right now she's just kind of taking a break. I believe she's cutting up an apple, and she's going to split that with her bunny and herself. And for those of you who have not seen the last video, it was how to clean out her bunny's litter box and what she does to feed them. I had really fun narrating that one, so definitely go check that video out after you're done with this. And don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Alrighty. So next thing is we're gonna kind of be dealing with the table. So I know this camera angle is a little hard to see what's going on, but she just wanted to do like a different view for you guys instead of just the typical right over the table like you see in most cleaning videos. So she's just kind of taking everything off, and this brown cabinet thingy maduki, that was already clean and organized, and yeah, that's why she didn't show that. But that one's already done, so no need to worry. But we're just kind of stacking everything up. And for those of you who are asking about those flowers, I believe you can find those at Walmart. And the little things that are at the bottom of the vase are Orbeez. And again, if you haven't used those, they're really fun and different, and it really kind of brings some life, especially for like a centerpiece, because it's different. And really, they're cheap. They're very inexpensive, and you can get thousands of them for a few bucks. You just kind of soak them in water, and they will swell up on their own. And they do make different sizes too. They make jumbo ones. I'm dying to get those. Okay, so next thing we're going to be doing is just kind of taking everything off, and then taking the garbage bag away. What do we do next? Oh, there's the sister. Hey, girl. So, we're just going to be using the Myers cleaner again on the table, and then we're just going to kind of set everything back up, and nothing too abrasive, just a basic paper towel. Now, if you ask me, those flowers are wonderful, and they're fake, if anyone else is wondering. I don't know if I already said that. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this channel, and don't forget to check out my two channels. Thank you guys for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.